there is a brand new way beginners are making money online right now as a plumber. So if you're a plumber, you want to make money using your knowledge, this is the perfect video for you. I will be showing you step by step how to create your content, where to get the idea from to create your content using ChatGPT, and I will be showing you a way that you can use your audience to making a profit based on your knowledge. So you forget about YouTube. No, you're not going to chasing customer. You're going to use your knowledge and sell them to the audience that is interested on the service that you provide. So first, we will be you will definitely need a TikTok account, and then you will need an Instagram account and Facebook account, so you can repurpose your content on all those platforms and then bring your audience on one platform, which is Skool.com. So Skool.com, if you don't know, this is a platform that you can build a community and then adding a subscription where you can provide your knowledge. You can upload your own video course, like long form video. For example, if you know how to fix an AC, you can upload a long form video. So you don't have to be specific. You can just use your time when you go to a client to fix something, and then you make sure you film it, and then you will upload it right here on Skool.com for your community. This is the best way to make most of your money. So you just record a video, and then you come to your community, and then you upload it to your community, and then anyone who want access to your portfolio, they will come right here. They will come right here on Skool.com, and then they will pay the subscription or a monthly subscription, so they will have access to watch all your video, and then they will have one-on-one access with you on this community, interacting with you, and they can interact each other as well on your community. So first, you have to build the audience outside of Skool, because Skool is the platform that you bring the audience. You have to build your audience from Instagram videos, from TikTok videos, because there's no way to monetize your audience on TikTok or Instagram. But if you add your Skool community and you add a call to action after each TikTok video, and then you own this audience. On TikTok, you're not owning your audience. On Facebook, you're not owning your audience. But right here on Skool.com, you own that audience. So as you can see, this is a community right here, and this is a fitness community. Let me tell you, this guy has 17,000 members, which he's charging $397. So I don't know what value this guy provides for that much money, but hey, he got 17,000 members. So I think he make around 6 million per year. Here's another community which has 1,600 members, and then they charge for $119. So I would not charge that much as a plumber. So $99 would be a good fit. Even that one is a little bit too much. If you want a better if you want more people to join your audience, a good spot would be maybe $19.99. That would be a good price people would be willing to pay. And let me tell you, for me as a plumber, this is way more value. It will provide me way more value than a community like this. No shade to that guy, but this is just motivation. This is a motivation community. As a plumber, you provide a real value to anyone. Show them how they can fix anything on their own. So after you create your Instagram, TikTok audience, you will go to ChatGPT right here. So I will be telling you exact prompt that you will add to ChatGPT in order to get video idea. So you will come to ChatGPT, you will paste this prompt right here. By the way, I have a Skool community as well. If you want the exact prompt, you can go to my Skool community. I will leave the prompt. So after you enter this prompt right here, you will click enter, and then ChatGPT will give you a full idea of, here's a full idea plus script you can use right away to attract homeowner and apprentice plumber while promoting your school community. All right, this is perfect. What ChatGPT does, it gives you a better idea as you enter as you give them more of your business type. ChatGPT will give you that idea to attract more customer or apprentice that will be interested on your school community. So if we go to the first one, 5 plumbing mistakes every homeowner make and how to fix them like a pro. Why? ChatGPT even tell you why it works. So homeowners are actively search for plumbing mistake and plumbing tips and DIY fix. Apprentice plumbing also watch this video and learn real world tips. It gives you the hope. Most people are doing this wrong with their plumbing and it's costing them hundreds of dollars. So you can use this as a prompt and then ChatGPT gives you an idea as well. You can demonstrate the 5 mistakes based on both photos. So again, you can give them 5 mistakes based on your previous video that you filmed while you're fixing any stuff for your customers. So here's the prompt. Hey everyone, your name, and then today I'm going to show you 5 biggest plumbing mistakes. It even give you the prompt. So now as you read this, your only thing you will do is that make sure the B-word is matched with the voiceover, which is the footage that you get while you're working on your job. So content is the key, guys. You got to provide the audience with content. So in order to get them to go to your school community. So for your school community, you will post the wrong version. So let's say it took you 1 hour to fix something for a customer, to fix a leaking faucet for your customer. So you have to go to your school community, you upload the full video. So right here, as a call to action, you will say, hey, if you want a full video of me fixing this sink for my customer, which is over 1 hour, go to my school community. For all the long form video will go to your school community. They will definitely go to your school community. When they comment on your video, hey, I encountered this issue, I'm fixing it. You just tell them, if you want to talk to me, go to my school community. If you want one-on-one, go to your school. I guarantee you, this will make you way more money than your business, definitely. And you don't have to. This is one and done. You make the video, you post it on your school community, and then they go to your community and then they pay for it. Or another option, you can create the community for free and then upgrade for one-on-one. This is another option as well. You will still make money. So this is the call to action from ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. You never miss another tip. And I've built a free school community, or you can replace the free with a paid and then just say the price with a $99 school community just for homeowner and apprentice and plumber. Inside you will get step-by-step training, digital tools, and answer your question. It's free to join, and if you are serious about learning, I've got advanced course and digital product there. So click the link in the description to join now. This is perfect. So anyway, guys, if you want to talk to me one-on-one about this to get more idea or have any question, you can join my school community. And then, yeah, guys, this is a very opportunity. Not everyone talking about, or everyone is chasing YouTube, but YouTube is not only solution. So TikTok is easy to get views. Instagram is easy to get views. So I showed you how to get your content idea. I give you the prompt and everything. So now, you will just have to film when you go to your customer's house. Just film the process when you're fixing, when you repair anything, and then post the process on your Instagram account. So you can go to your to other plumber as well on Instagram and then to get inspiration from them as well. So anyway, guys, if you guys want to learn more about this process, you can just join my full community, and then if you want to start with Skool, I will leave a link as well in the comment section of this video for you guys.